Hello guys, so for this video, we have here an example of differential calculus. We have here a function of 2x to the fourth plus 3x squared minus 1 over x squared. So take note that if you have only one term dito sa baba, like this x squared, what you can do is pwede nyo siyang isulat isa-isa. It means like this. So you have 2x raised to 4 over x squared. Okay, you have to simplify your function first before taking the derivative. Kasi if you will use quotient rule directly, your answer will be very long. So it's good to first simplify your function before taking the derivative. So x raised to 4 divided by x squared, of course, it will become 2x squared. So ilalagay ko dito 2x squared na lang. Tapos x squared dito, x squared. So what is left is 3 na lang. Tapos ito, negative 1 over x squared. This one, you can rewrite that one as x raised to negative 2. So let's write it as x raised to negative 2. Now you can take the derivative of your function one by one. So our f prime of x is equal to the derivative of your 2x squared is 4x. Okay, the derivative of your 3 is 0. Okay, kasi derivative of any constant is 0. And the derivative of your x raised to negative 2 is negative. Copy this negative. And then you have here negative 2x raised to negative 3. Okay, because based on the power formula, that's negative 2 minus 1. So that will become negative 3. And now we have our final answer, f prime of x is equal to 4x plus 2x raised to negative 3. This one becomes positive because we have here negative times negative is positive. So that's why it becomes positive on that portion. So we have now your final answer.